Hello everyone, I'm going to brief you how to create teams for tomorrow's online session. It is a very simple procedure. I hope you can get it easily. For this we need a MS Teams. First you log on to MS Teams with the official email ID. Once you log in, you can see a lot of teams as per your previous creations. You can find out one team named SOEIT Faculty DSB. Just click on it. So once you click, you can click on the files. In the file section, I have one folder called Teams Code F2024. So you click on this folder, you can find two files. One timetable for BSc ISM, another one for BTech CSE and data science. There are two timetable files are available. I'm going to show a demonstration with the one simple of my subject, that is a BSc ISM. Just to check, do you have any class on Monday? See, if in my case I don't have a class on Monday for second year and fourth year some classes, but I have one class for final year BSc ISM, that is Enterprise Network Security. So you can find out here the name. See the Enterprise Network Security ENS, it is available here. Look at this one. So Enterprise Network Security Javed Nazir. So I'm going to create a teams for this particular subject so that tomorrow I can conduct class in that particular teams. So I just give you a simple method. So I just copy this three stuff, say F2024, NTM316 and ENS. So I'm not going to copy all of them, just going to copy this using the selection tool. I copy these three things, just copy it. Now go back to the teams here. Now in this teams I can go to the create team section, create teams. So it is for the class, so I choose the class. So one class here. Now I have to give the name for the class. You just paste whatever you have copied from the table. So I have copied F01, right? So you can just remove the gap from here. You just type a hyphen. That's it. So you just create with this name. So the team has been created, but I don't have the students name list right now, so you can skip this particular option. So the team is ready now. So what you can do is you can go to the manage team section here. Okay, manage team section here, and above you have some more tabs, and there is a tab called settings. Click on settings, and here there's an option called create a team code. So create team code, you just click on it and generate. So I have created a team code here. I'll copy this team code. Now what is the use of this team code? Now I can distribute this team code to my students so that the students can join to my class without my approval or something. They just need this code. They will open the teams, they will type the join team, then they will enter the code and they will join the teams. Now our task is we have to distribute this particular code to our students. So for that, what we are doing, so we just copy this code. Okay. Now come back to the the Excel sheet what you have opened, right, for copying it. So you go to the Excel sheet. Here in front of my subject, see this enterprise network, right, this subject. So here I have a option called team code. We just need to paste this team code here. So like that, all the faculty members will be copying and pasting their team codes over here after creating. And now this table will be distributed to the student so that the students can join to your teams, and you can take the classes online tomorrow.